Apple is preparing to debut the iPhone 17 range in September, and leaks are becoming more serious. One of the most fascinating elements is a new wallpaper from Apple's own software with a screen resolution of 1260 by 2736, which corresponds exactly to the predicted dimensions of the forthcoming iPhone 17 Air. This is the first real indication from Apple's own code, and it might lead to reverse wireless charging. Another leak provides accurate weight and battery specifications for the Air model, which weighs roughly 145 g. However, it has been reduced by 2,800 mAh, which is around the same capacity as the battery in the iPhone 12 from 5 years ago. Apple may be attempting to compensate for this with new software gimmicks, such as an adaptive battery mode that learns your patterns and turns off superfluous features. The basic iPhone 17 has been leaked heavily, with the screen increasing in size from 6.1 to 6.3 inches and including 120 Hz for the first time. However, because this 120 Hz is not adaptive, it will always remain at maximum speed, potentially reducing battery life even further. The base model will also have the same A18 CPU and 8 GB of RAM, while the other iPhone 17s will be upgraded to 12 GB for add-ons. The basic iPhone 17 comes in purple and green, with purple being a popular choice among customers. Colors of ProLand haven't changed much, but the traditional black, white, gray, and blue have returned. The Real Pro hardware features a dynamic island that might decrease this year, presumably thanks to a clever new lens system. The camera is also changing, with a 48-megapixel sensor replacing the telephoto lens and an optical zoom reduction from 5x to 3.5x. This is designed to improve portrait photographs, but it feels like a letdown for people who like the 5x zoom. Apple says it will approximate the 5x via digital cropping, but it will not be the same. The iPhone 17 lineup includes some interesting tidbits, as well as some puzzlers. As September approaches, we will have more information to give. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.